Okay, today I'm going to take you through Spacefana, which is our 2D plotting and charting tool. It is available for free. You will get access to additional dashboards if you are logged into the UDL. If you're not logged into the UDL, you'll see this list of dashboards here. We'll start from the bottom with Geothreads. Geothreads allows you to define a red team and a blue team, and it will then pull into the scene any spacecraft that meet your delta inclination and eccentricity criteria. You can also filter down just by payloads or debris or rocket body type, and change the point of closest approach threshold as well. So you can see if I come in here and I change this delta inclination limit up to maybe 1, you see a number of additional threats appearing here. If you mouse over, you'll get more information on that particular red v blue encounter. You can change your red team, you can change your blue team countries to increase or decrease the amount of satellites that will return in this table. The next one is the Geomap. The Geomap is just all geo satellites plotted on a map. Once again, you can filter by the type of spacecraft, and if you just want to see a particular country, for example, I might just want to see all the Chinese satellites that are over the United States, for example. Here we can see TGS-7. So just a really useful way of visualizing where geo satellites are in relation to the ground. The vertical axis here is the inclination of the spacecraft, so we separate them on that axis as well. Altitude v inclination is a very useful plot for getting the general lay of the land of the whole space domain. You can see here we're also plotting a number of regions as well. So the GPS and BIDOS, GLONASS, Russian missile early warning, the Molniers. The green area down here is a threshold for low Earth orbit, sun sync, OneWeb, Iridium. So just a really useful way of bearing down on who's who in the zoo and where everyone is located. You can see all of your geobirds up here as well, and a number in the graveyard and higher inclined orbits too. All right, we're going to jump to space weather. So space weather allows you to configure thresholds for X-ray flux and proton energy levels, and if the values exceed these limits that you specify, you'll start to see warnings appear here.